In this video, I'm going to show you how to animate objects in Capcut free version. First, you'll need images. You can get those from Pixabay royalty-free. You also need sound effects, which you can find on freesounds.org. All right, let's begin. Use a moving background as your scene, and slow it down, then smooth it. Get your starting object without any backgrounds in it. I'm going to teach you the ease-out method. First, you have to add your base keyframes, then in between them about 2/3 of the way there, you add another frame. After that, in front of the second base keyframe, add one more, about the same distance from the in-between. Repeat that about 2 to 3 times and it should look like this. To make objects glow, just increase the brightness and saturation. Good, now let's add a fall animation. It's really simple, just add an object above the ground and add 2 keyframes for the fall animation. For the bounce, add 2 more frames with an equal distance, then that in between make the object go up a bit. To give it realism, download a dust overlay and put it exactly when the object hits the ground. Let's adjust the overlay a bit more. Wow, let's add a car to the scene. Use the ease-out method about 4 to 5 times for the velocity of the car. Let's fix the Bugatti to make it look better. Increase the brightness and saturation. Now let's also add a human with the same method, but with less ease. Let's make his skin more colorful. Okay, let's add a glow effect, and we're done. Import your sound effects, then it should be like this. Wow, it looks great. Now click here to learn how to create motion graphics.